Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Apple Mac Mini M for Apple's latest powerhouse of a compact desktop. Whether you're a content creator, a developer, or just someone looking for a sleek and powerful machine, the Mac Mini M4 could be the perfect choice for you. Let's break down its specs, features, and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk design. The Mac Mini M4 follows the same iconic compact design we've come to expect from the Mac Mini lineup. At just 7.7 inches square and only 1.4 inches tall, it's incredibly small, lightweight, and easy to fit into any workspace. The all-aluminum body feels premium, and it's surprisingly quiet even under load. Apple's signature minimalist approach shines here. The Mac Mini M4 looks sleek, with a simple silver finish and the iconic Apple logo. It's small enough to easily transport, but still packs a punch. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine, the M4 chip. The Mac Mini M4 is powered by Apple's custom-designed M4 silicon, built on a 3nm architecture. We're talking about a performance boost across the board. The M4 chip has up to 12 CPU cores, with 8 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, meaning it's faster and more power-efficient than ever before. In real-world tasks, whether you're rendering videos, coding, or even gaming, the M4 shows impressive results. You'll see up to 30% faster CPU performance compared to the M1 chip, and the GPU performance gets a huge upgrade too, with up to 20 core graphics, making it ideal for creative professionals or anyone who needs raw power. Now, let's talk about memory and storage. The Mac Mini M4 starts with 8GB of unified memory, but you can upgrade to 16GB or even 32GB if you need more horsepower for tasks like video editing or running virtual machines. For storage, the base configuration comes with 256GB of SSD storage, but you can configure it up to 8TB. That's right, 8TB of storage. This makes it a great choice for people who deal with large files like video editors, photographers, and other creative professionals. In terms of connectivity, the Mac Mini M4 gives you plenty of options. It comes with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a Gigabit Ethernet port, and of course, a headphone jack. There's also Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast wireless connections. Whether you're connecting external displays, storage devices, or just using peripherals, the M4's variety of ports will cover all your needs. Speaking of displays, the Mac Mini M4 doesn't come with a built-in screen, but it supports up to 2 displays, one 6K display at 60Hz via Thunderbolt, and a 4K display via HDMI. Whether you're using it for professional design work, coding, or just streaming content, the Mac Mini M4 will give you smooth and crisp visuals. And as we mentioned earlier, the M4 chip makes multitasking a breeze. With up to 32GB of RAM and its powerful GPU, you can run multiple apps, large design files, and even games without a hitch. One of the best things about the Mac Mini M4 is the integration with the Apple ecosystem. Running macOS, you'll get access to the full suite of Apple apps and services. Plus, with the seamless integration between iPhone, iPad, and other Apple devices, everything just works. And with macOS, you'll also enjoy a smooth, intuitive user experience, regular updates, and enhanced security. So if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, the Mac Mini M4 fits right in. Now, before you ask, battery life on the Mac Mini M4 is not a concern because it's a desktop. It doesn't have a battery, so it'll always run at full power when plugged in. Alright, let's talk about the price. The Mac Mini M4 starts at $599 for the base model with 8GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage. The higher-end configurations can go up to around $2,000 if you max out the RAM and storage. Considering the power and performance you're getting with the M4 chip, it's definitely worth it for professionals and power users who need a compact but powerful desktop. But if you're just looking for a basic home office machine, you might want to consider the Mac Mini M1 or M2 models. So there you have it, folks, our review of the Apple Mac Mini M4. It's a beast of a machine that brings top-tier performance in a tiny package. If you're in the market for a new desktop, the Mac Mini M4 is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Are you excited about the M4 chip? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.